In the suddenly silent city, buildings shook. Giant footsteps echoed a yellow cat the size of a titan, its eyes glowing, its tail sweeping cars like toys. It roared loudly, not because it was angry, but because it had forgotten to eat breakfast. Suddenly, from the city's sewers, something unusual emerged. Snail soldiers in full uniform, moving slowly but surely. They carried slime weapons and salt cannons. Their commander shouted, "Hold on, don't let him lick us." Slime began to fly. The cat titan winced a little. Salt would make him sneeze and collapse a building, but he didn't stay still. With a single swipe of his paw, 5 snails flew into a billboard. With sharp fangs and giant claws, he charged back, but the snail soldiers formed an impenetrable spiral of protection. The cat titan lifted a truck and threw it like a ball. Explosion. Smoke billowed, but before victory was confirmed, the city's alarm sounded. To be continued.